guys, we're back with Bird Feeder Part 2 for Earth Day. So what we were thinking about, if you ever had like one of those candy necklaces, those are so good. I used to wear those back in the 1900s. And we're thinking that it would be really cool to use our end of our Cheerios to make a string or a necklace and hang it from one of the trees outside. So, Eddie, you want to come help with us? We have a string from yarn. It's the same yarn we used for the top of our pine cone. We made a big knot. Whoopsie! We made a big knot. And now we're going to take some O's and we're going to thread them on there. Ooh, that one's like a cool, like a double. Sometimes the string needs to get.
That's cool.
Twirled. So I'm going to cut this part. A little frayed. Alright, let's see if my knot's big enough at the bottom to hold it. Yay, it is! Uh-oh. Luna, that's for you. Is this a bird feeder or a dog feeder? Jinx!
Dog feeder.
Do it.
No, it's an edit.
And the cool thing with these are after the birds come and eat these, then you can just bring the string back, cut it open, and put more back on. So in the perfect Earth Day world, you are recycling and reusing. Etta, wow, you are so fast at this.
Just so you know, the strings with the pine cones, they don't hold on very well, so you kind of want to tighten it because on others they impel a lot, so you just kind of want to secure it more.
Yeah, and that might have been my fault. That might have been a faulty tire. I might not have been tying it tight enough. So you know what? But here's the thing. This is how we learn to get better. Nice. And so you just keep adding. And here's the thing you could add. Like we talked about before, you could actually add some pasta on this too. Oh, should I get some pasta?
Yeah.
Let's go see what we got.
I'll do it.
We have penne. Of course, it can't be spaghetti. Let me go see. I don't know if they have any. Let's see.
Oh, Mommy, look what I found! Mommy, it's kind of like a ring. Oh. So we're trying to do Mom, look, it's kind of like a ring. So we have no penne.
Cool. Etta.
What else do we do?
So we don't have any penny pasta. That's the pasta that is kind of like a cylinder. The middle is hollow. That's the part you could put through. We only have spaghetti and some spirally stuff happening there. We could also use bread or grains, but those are things that would be good to roll the pine cone on. For this, if you want to put a string through it, would have to have something with a hollow inside. So if you had a threaded needle, you could use the needle to go. You could pop popcorn and let the needle go through it. That would be cool.
I wonder if you could popcorn oh, you can guys make popcorn. You guys can make popcorn and then put a hole through the middle and then just put it on too.
Yeah, definitely. Well, and that's what they.
Or I could just glue it after kidding. No one wants to glue.
Well, that's what we were using the peanut butter for. That was acting as the glue.
Huh.
Right, to stick everything. Well, when we were researching about the different foods that the birds could eat, that was awesome. They were saying that they would eat raw popcorn. Raw pasta or cooked pasta, and they said they would eat popcorn kernels or popcorn.
Like pop.
That's pop. Yeah. I wonder if they would eat a corn on the cob too, if you could just hang the corn on the cob.
I bet they eat a corn on the cob. Do you think they would eat out of my hands? Probably not. Probably never.
Look how long. Etta's only been doing this for maybe a minute or two, and look how far she's got. Oh, yeah. Good job. So yeah, guys, for Earth Day, there's lots of things you can do to create more awesomeness in your planet, right? You can take a walk through the park, and you can pick up trash.
Yeah,
help
take a walk, pick up trash.
Yeah, take a walk, pick up trash.
Ride bikes.
You could ride bikes and pick up trash. You could use all your recycles and make like a recycle project. Um, there's so many things that you could do. And if you're thinking right now, like, I don't know what I could do, you could always go to Google and type in kids activities for Earth Day.
Or just watch this video.
Or you could make some pine cone and Cheerio bird feeders. Thanks, you guys. I hope you have a great Earth Day. If you want to send me your, any pictures of what you made, you can send it to my CMS address, tracy.o.mott. I would love to see your awesome pictures. Or maybe, you know what, as I'm walking around the neighborhood, maybe I'll run into some friends and they'll show me their bird feeders.
Or maybe you'll go in front of their house and you'll see their bird.
That's true. Maybe we'll be inspired to put one of our bird feeders out front, too.
Yep.
All right. Have a great Earth Day. Bye.